Listen, my eye keep running, but y'all gonna get this video. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, you know, being in this YouTube content creator space, it can be pretty hard using up anything. Mainly because we're testing and trying out new products to give you all our experiences. So when we use up things, it's a celebration because hashtag use your stash, like, that means something to me. We have to get through all of these things. So we're going to go through my empties today. Some of these products I've mentioned on my channel before and some I have not, but I'm going to give you all a little recap. And if I do have a video, I'll try to remember to put it in the description box so that way you can refer to that for a more detailed review. So the first product is actually a product I've never mentioned on my channel. This is the Natural Oasis Strength and Shine Setting and Styling Balm. This is actually kind of sort of a DIY. They actually send you like the herbs in a tea bag. You actually boil and steep that tea bag in water, let it cool, and then pour it into here. And then you have this like tea, and this tea can be used to like refresh your hair. It can be used as a styler. It can be used as a leave-in conditioner. I often use it as a refresher and sometimes as a styler. Not a lot of people actually talk about this brand, and I actually saw this particular product on Big Hair Betty's page like way back in the day when people were still using their MacBook cameras to upload videos on YouTube. She would use the slightest bit of this product and would get the bombest rod sets as well as like the best Bantu knots I've ever seen. It's a super interesting and unique product, and I don't see a lot of people talking about this brand. The only person I really see talking about Natural Oasis as a brand is Razor Empress, but I don't think I've ever seen her use this product. I will say that you have to use this in a timely manner because as the tea kind of sits, it can get a little funky. So you want to use this up pretty quickly, but I really enjoyed using this. Not sure if I would repurchase just because y'all know I am not about that DIY. The next product that I used up, I actually used up in my most recent video, the collaboration that I did with Denise Adore and Faye in the City. And this is my Myel Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner. I have mentioned this product in multiple videos. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I love it. It's a staple for me and I'll continue to buy it on sale. This just does it. It gives you that protein moisture balance. It gives me great slip. My hair is also nice and soft, but also strengthened after I rinse it. And the mint, like, I love it. Next, I used up the Main Choices Prickly Pear Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I do have a video on the review of this product line. I also have a review on the styler that they launched with this line, but regardless, this does leave my hair nice and soft and it does have good slip. The fragrance of it is also very nice. This is a nice leave-in conditioner, but not necessarily my favorite from the Main Choice. In an effort to hashtag use your stash, it's important to remember that products are marketed as leave-in conditioners or rinse-out conditioners or deep conditioners, but essentially you can use products how you need to use them. While I like this leave-in conditioner, I don't love it, and it's not a leave-in conditioner that I'll typically reach for on a wash day, so I use it up as a pre-poo. You all know that I don't typically use any Main Choice leave-in conditioner as a pre-nothing, as a rinse-out nothing, because it's expensive and it's only 8 ounces, but hashtag use your stash. Would I repurchase? Probably not. Like I said, it's not necessarily my favorite from the Main Choice, so Next up is the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water, and I didn't actually get around to doing a video on this. This gives a great boost of hydration and slip, especially if you're trying to refresh your hair like midweek. I really enjoyed using this. Would I repurchase? Maybe if it's on sale and I'm up to it, but I have refresher sprays that I flat out just enjoy more than this, but this was a nice product and I would definitely recommend if you're interested. The next product should not be a surprise to any of us, and that is the African Pride Pre-Shampoo Treatment. You all already know that this is life. If your hair is dry and matted and damn near locked up, this is what you need. There is nothing that I have tried thus far that detangles my hair before I shampoo quite like this. In case you couldn't tell, I love this. I'm going to continue repurchasing it. I encourage you to do the same. It's affordable, it smells good, and what's most important is that it just works. It just works. Next up is another product from the Main Choice, and this is from their Exotic Kool-Aid line. This is the Fresh Mango and Passion Fruit Mask. If you would like a full review of this product as well as the other products in that line, I do have a video on the full line. I bought the full shebang from that line, so make sure you check that out. I'll try to remember to leave it in the description box. I actually used this up quite a while ago, and I really enjoyed using it. It's nice and moisturizing and slippery, and it smells really good. My hair was nice and soft after using it. But this was only 8 ounces and the Main Choice is not cheap. So we're not gonna repurchase this. There are just masks and deep conditioners from the Main Choice that are 12 ounces that I just enjoy a little bit more than this. But this is too small, so. Next is actually another product from As I Am, and this is their olive and tea tree oil leave-in conditioner. I actually like using this, but not because of the moisture and slip. You all know that I am a sucker for cornrows and manicured toes. I love to have my scalp feel nice and fresh, like it's taking a deep breath, and this did that for me. Strictly off the strength of that, I would reach for this a whole lot. I actually finished this up a while ago, but I love this solely for how it makes my scalp feel. The moisture and the slip definitely has room for improvement, but that scalp tingle, like, I love it. And of course, this is from their dry and itchy scalp care collection, so I guess that's to be expected in a way. But like, can I get both? Can I get moisture slip and the scalp tingle? Like, can I get all of that all in one? I would really like that. While I like this, I'm not necessarily sure I would repurchase it, just because, like I said, the moisture and the slip just wasn't necessarily there. But the scalp tingle. Oh. Next thing I used up is the Oyen Natural Hair Care Babasu Deep Conditioner. And this is actually a product that Sheree sent me. Sheree loves to send me products that are nearly empty. And I used it a while ago to deep condition my hair. And I don't remember hating this product, but I don't necessarily remember being wowed by it either. If I come across a good sale from Oyen Naturals, I'll probably repurchase this just so I can form an educated opinion about this product. But yeah, I used that up. The next thing I used up is a product from She Scent It. She Scent It is completely underrated and just not a company that I hear people talk about often enough. And you know what? Maybe I need to include them more on my channel. This is the Pomegranate Pear Quenching Conditioner. Listen, let me tell you something about She Scent It. I have yet to try a product from She Scent It that I don't like. She Scent It not only smells good, it's effective in moisture, it's effective in slip. I can use it any way I want. I have used this to pre-poo, I've used it as a rinse out conditioner, I've used it to deep condition, I've used it as a leave-in. She Scent It is just where it's at. Like, you get bang for your buck because you're not getting, no shade, 4, 6, 8 ounces of product. No. You're getting 13. Not to mention that She Scent It often has great sales. We talking 35, 40, 50% off. Just, yes. The next product I used up is from TGIN, and this is their Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. I feel like I've mentioned this multiple times on my channel. I have been gravitating towards this leave-in conditioner a whole lot during this whole quarantine thing, and I'm actually down to my last bottle. I know we get mad at TGIN for using silicones and stuff, but this is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, and I will continue to repurchase. Next is another nearly empty product that Sheree sent me. This is the What the Hemp Deep Moisture Mask from Oyen Handmade. And because this was nearly empty, I actually used this as a pre-poo. This had my hair soft and detangled throughout the duration of my entire wash day, the day that I used it. So much so that I'm going to actually purchase this the next time Oyen has a sale so I can try it as a deep conditioner. My hair was so soft after I used this, so I can't wait to repurchase this. I actually really enjoyed this. Oyen Handmade is also local to me, so I need to pick this up. Next thing I used up is the Pattern Leave-In Conditioner. I also have a video on this product line in case you wanted to check that out. I know a lot of people had a lot of things to say about the ingredients as well as the price point of this product line, but I really love this leave-in conditioner. It was nice and lightweight and softening, and the slip was really good. But these little 10, 15, 20% sales that Pattern has been having has not been motivated enough for me to repurchase this. I'm not going to be able to justify in my mind or in my PayPal account paying $25 for a leave-in conditioner. While I love it, I don't love it that much. I just don't. Finally, we come across a cleanser. This is another product from the Main Choice, and this is also from the Exotic Kool-Aid line. This is the Minty Guava and Kiwi Shampoo. Again, I have a video dedicated to a full review of this product line. This is probably one of my favorite products ever from the Main Choice. This shampoo is so moisturizing and softening to my hair. This really cleans your hair without stripping it. And the mint. I've already stressed how I feel about a minty fresh scalp. This is probably one of the best products from the Main Choice, period. Would I repurchase? I already have multiple backups, and I'll continue to repurchase because it's just that good. Next up is another deep conditioner, but I never mentioned this one on my channel. I actually only use this when I'm straightening my hair or when I get my hair straightened, because y'all know I ain't get ready to go through all that. This is the Moroccan Oil Weightless Hydrating Mask. I actually have 2 of these that I used up from the last couple of times that I got my hair straightened. This coats and conditions my hair without making it feel weighed down and greasy. That way my straight hair is nice and soft and fluffy and still has movement to it. Would I repurchase? Sure, with my friend's Costco Prof card. Next up is a product that I don't really use very often, and that is the Apogee 2-Step Protein Treatment. I do have a video of me using this product as well. Obviously, I don't use this product very often. I use it as needed. This just gives my hair a boost. It just gives me like a fresh start with my hair when I'm feeling like my hair is just blah and limp and not giving me what I need. Yeah, it's funky and sticky and messy, but this is just an OG product that just works. Yes, there are all types of masks and treatments that have various types of proteins and amino acids and strengtheners in them, but nothing, and I mean nothing, is going to restore your hair like the Apogee 2-Step Protein Treatment. This is pure protein, and sometimes your hair just needs pure protein. So if you need it, go get it, because when I need it, I'm gonna go get it. Next thing I used up is another product from African Pride, and this is from their Moisture Miracle line as well. This is the Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Heat Activated Mask, and I wasn't particularly wild by this either. It helped to soften my hair, but not like I was anticipating. And it sucks because this is such an affordable line, but I won't be repurchasing. Next thing I used up is the Myel Magongo Oil Hydrating Conditioner. In case you didn't know, this deep conditioner is protein free, and I like this conditioner. It was nice and softening. This is actually a lot thicker than their Babasu and Mint deep conditioner, and because it's so thick, it doesn't give that same amount of slip. This is nice and moisturizing and softening to the hair, but it's not really my favorite from Myel. So I'll stick with the original Babasu and Mint deep conditioner, and I'll save this for those that are protein sensitive. I would recommend this if you're into thick, hydrating, protein-free deep conditioners, but this isn't my favorite from Myel, so it's not something that's on my radar to repurchase. Next is the Oyen Handmade Not Going Bananas Detangling Conditioner. I have mentioned this numerous times on my channel. This can be used as a pre-poo, a rinse out, a deep conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner, but you all know that I'm not going to use anybody's 8-ounce product as a rinse out, nothing, so I always use this as a leave-in conditioner. I have mentioned multiple times on my channel how moisturizing and softening and slippery this is, and how I'm going to continue repurchasing it because it's true. It also really smells like banana, specifically like a banana Laffy Taffy, so it smells like banana candy. I love this. That's it. That's all I have to say. And the last hair product empty is another product from The Main Choice. This is from their Cheers collection, and this is the Supreme Strength and Full Protection Conditioner. I feel like I've mentioned this a few times on my channel. I also have a full review of this line as well. This conditioner is very thick, it's very moisturizing, but it's also very strengthening. This also, considering how thick it is, gives me pretty good slip. I love that we get 12 ounces, but I just wish it was in a different container because I have squeezed the hell out of this bottle. The product is not very ergonomic, so it's not really shower friendly. It's not really ease of access if you're trying to use this and your hands are wet, but the product inside is really good. This was definitely marketed as a strengthening line, but this gave me a healthy balance of moisture and protein, so my hair didn't feel hard at all when I rinsed this out. My hair was extremely soft, so I would highly recommend this. And yes, I would definitely repurchase on sale. So that is the end of the hair products, but I do have one honorable mention in the skincare category, and the only reason I'm mentioning it is because it is from Camille Rose Naturals, and this is from her face collection, and this is the Fresh Tone Makeup Remover and Toner. I actually purchased this last summer at the Ubiquitous Women's Expo in Washington, D.C. Camille Rose did have a booth there, and all of their skincare was a great price, so I tried this out, and legitimately the only reason I haven't repurchased it is because they haven't gone on sale. Even when Camille Rose has a sale, the face collection is never included. And I'm salty about it because because this is really a nice toner. It's not an astringent, so it's not super harsh. It definitely calms and balances and soothes the skin. So I really enjoy using this, but I don't want to pay the full price, and I also don't want to buy the full collection. If there's a sale, I would love to repurchase this, but y'all know I'm cheap and I don't want to. So that wraps up this empties video. I want to try to do an empties video like once every quarter or so. It's really hard using up stuff because one, I have so much, and two, I'm always trying to jump on the new thing because I have a problem. So make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.